You want shortcuts? Leave now. These aren't tips or hacks. They're laws. Break them and you pay with failure. Most of you want to be coddled. I'm not here for that. I'm here to give you the truth that will break you if you don't respect it. If you're hoping for comfort, turn this off now. What I'm about to tell you will demand you bleed for your dreams. Most will reject this because it's too hard. But for those ready to hear it, here are the 5 unbreakable laws of success. Let's count them down. Number 5, master your mind or be mastered. Your mind is the battlefield where success is won or lost. If you let fear, doubt, and negativity take root, you're finished before you start. I don't negotiate with weakness in my thinking. I command it. You must do the same. Feed your mind only what fuels your goal. Crush every thought that questions your ability. Control your mind or accept that it will control you and it will make you its servant. Look at your life. Every failure is proof you haven't obeyed these laws. Don't lie to yourself. Success has rules. Break them and you break yourself. Number 4, demand clarity of purpose. The world is full of drifters, men with vague dreams and no real aim. Don't be one of them. Decide exactly what you want. Define it in detail so there's no room for confusion. Make it your religion. Wake up with it. Go to sleep with it. Let it burn in you until you can't imagine living without it. Clarity is the knife that cuts through the fog of failure. Without it, you're just wandering toward disappointment. Number 3, cultivate relentless faith. Doubt is a thief. It steals dreams before they're born. You don't get what you want. You get what you believe is possible. I don't care if the world calls it arrogance. Believe so deeply it borders on madness. When no one else sees the vision, you hold it anyway. Doubt poisons effort. Faith turns obstacles into stepping stones. You want success? Worship belief. Make it unshakable. If you're hoping for comfort, turn this off now. What I'm about to tell you will demand you bleed for your dreams. Number 2, build unbreakable plans. Hope is a liar if you don't back it with a plan. Most people think wanting is enough. It isn't. You need strategy, detail, accountability, consequences for failure. I don't romanticize dreaming, I execute. When your plan fails, adapt, but never move without one. A man without a plan is a man waiting to fail. This law is harsh because life is harsh. It rewards those who prepare. Most will listen and stay weak. Don't be most. These laws don't care about your excuses. They punish you for them. Number 1, take decisive, ruthless action. Knowledge without action is a lie you tell yourself to feel smart. Most people wait. They wait for certainty, for permission, for the perfect moment that never comes. Winners move. They act before they're ready. They pull the trigger and fix on the way. Indecision is the killer of dreams. Ruthless action is the creator of destiny. If you want results, stop thinking so much. Start doing. You don't have a secret plan for success. You barely have the courage to admit what you want. These laws will force you to choose. Most will hear these laws and nod along, convinced they're different while changing nothing. Don't be most. Choose one of these today and carve it into your life. Obey it so completely you can't recognize the undisciplined person you used to be. Success isn't for the gifted. It's for the disciplined who live these laws without compromise. Don't admire these laws. Adopt them. Don't just hear them. Live them. The world makes way for those who dare to rise. Click the Rise button now to subscribe and claim the destiny waiting for you. Your time is now.